Hello and welcome to this 30-day challenge on how to invest for beginners. I am so excited. I'm leading the 30-day investing challenge where I will reveal to you my boss wealth alignment methods and guide you through every step of the way so you can begin and set goals for your trading experience and really start lighting a fire in your money and elevate from a newbie investor to a trading champion. What I'm going to offer in this 30-day free course is a 30-day system where you get access to self-paced videos, some laser coaching, and also the Investor Toolkit. This is so that you can work through 30 days in a step-by-step process so you can play with a demo account, see what trading is all about, understand all the components. And I'm going to walk you through that in a minute. So I'm excited because I've been trading and really fallen in love with the whole trading environment. And I'm eager to share with you the beginner steps, how you can use this 30-day challenge to kickstart your journey and really just tap into some resources that I've created for you that can really make the journey enjoyable, social, and really just have a bit of fun along the way. So the purpose of this 30-day system is to say goodbye to your money overwhelm, the financial crisis, and to start creating your successful investor plan. And the thing is, we're going to come from this with a feminine alignment so that you can step into investing with ease and automation. So why I have decided to create this Investor Soul-led evolution program is because I'd love to have women start investing more and more and encourage you to think differently about investing and to get you out of the debt and struggle or inaction and to help you start reaching and shifting into finally start making money work for you. I want you to trade your old money mindset, handcuffs for the golden investor crown, and be set free with some empowerment, strategic planning, and create your own soul-lit wealth path. You really don't have to do this alone. So I'm calling all moneymakers, wealth seekers, and soul-led women to take part in the 30-day challenge. We launch on the 1st of June. So join us in my private Facebook group where we will be doing the 30 days of time together and really anchoring in your investing experience. So think about this. What if you could grant a wish to fix the one thing with money? What would it be? Would it be one, to think differently around expanding your goals and reach a paradigm shift so you can stop slaving for money? Is it two, to realign with your energy around money so that you can actually mobilize your money? Is it three, you want to build influence and really start standing out and building wealth that's yours? Or four, is it when you want to scale up your income streams and start cultivating money while you sleep on autopilot? If this is sounding intriguing to you, then definitely listen in. I'm going to go through what I'm going to cover in the 30-day program, and just know that this is to give you a kickstart so that you can get started investing, trading for yourself to build wealth. I am opening up this for you so that really I see a lot of women get stuck with this process, and I want you to understand that a lot of these trading blocks are predictable, that our brain patterns are stuck in fear, and actually excitement is the same experience. So I really want you to switch and start thinking about investing as an exciting opportunity. I also would love you to discover a community of women who are not constrained in their money and wealth building, and they are taking action to develop new ways of investing money and changing the way they relate to money. I want you to design an investor strategy that is unimaginable, that creates a plan for you for the future using compounding and really creates the lifestyle you desire. I would love you to stop butting up with the world of fear around money, investing, stocks, shares, crypto, what's going up, what's going down, and really understand it's a very natural process of how the markets operate. And I'm here so that you don't get freaked out with the process and know you are not alone. We are all in this together for 30 days. And with your 30-day challenge workbook, no matter when you enter, you will have access to be able to work through your 30 days and have access to the masterclasses that I will flow through to you so that you can feel confident with your investing journey. So, what are the myths that I love to break with this program? And that is, you don't just need to hand money to an investing portfolio manager to invest it for you. You can invest for yourself. First myth. The second is you don't need to constantly work for money to have wealth. You can actually create a system where money works for you on autopilot. And thirdly, that you don't need to be consistently in action and be susceptible to losing your job and only having one income stream. That you can actually use investing as a solution to financial crisis or a solution to being more resilient for the future with your money. So it's time for the truth. I want to share with you what you're going to learn in the 30 days. So I'm going to go through a bit of a list to show you what you can experience in this 30-day challenge. So first, you are going to decide what platform is best for you and what your investor trading style is. You are going to understand the importance of risk management as a trader. You are also going to build your wealth automatically with a bot and become the person who others want to follow. You are going to be learning how to read charts just enough to make sense of the movements, calculate your risk, and know how to address any losses. You are going to keep your dream alive with the mindset support so you can stop being stopped and learn the lessons. You're going to have daily prompts to raise your investor IQ. You are also going to learn how to make money on demand using an automated system. And I'm going to give you a lot of the investor shortcuts that I've learned getting started, how you can position yourself as a top trader from the get-go and build trust. And you're going to build your energy of abundance with money as we break your old beliefs, and you can finally have money work for you, and so much more. So I invite you in if you're excited, if you are been thinking about investing, you've been talking about it with friends, haven't really taken action, you've maybe been fantasizing about doing that one day and having true wealth and building passive income, but you just haven't had the reason to get started, then I absolutely invite you to take action and to join the challenge. It is a 30-day challenge starting 1st of June for 30 days. And this is the content I'm going to be going through in the challenge. So the challenge goes through weeks of content. And I'm going to take you through the 3 core pillars to building a trading plan. First is soul-led investing mastery. This is where we get you onboarded, we get you set up, you become the woman who chooses to invest, you learn how to get automated with your investing, you learn some investing soul lessons, and you become brave enough to design your risk management plan. In the next 2 weeks, we are trading. So once you've been set up and you have all that in place, we are now going to start trading. So you're going to learn how you can be the next level trader. You are going to learn how to set lot prices and risks and stop losses. You are also going to learn how to be resilient in the face of turmoil. And you're just going to get really comfortable with your trading journal, and jumping on live trading calls. In the last week of the challenge, I'm going to give you some bonus sacred wealth modules. And these videos are going to level you up to that next level. It's time to get rich. Yes, of course. And to start really setting some money goals, looking at different strategies. I'm also going to share with you how you can raise your money desire when it comes to trading and actually potentially increase your money flow, becoming a professional trader. You are also going to get clear on your freedom numbers and get super elevated with your sacred wealth. In addition to the masterclasses, you'll also receive some live videos from me to really help boost you through the challenge. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'll be going live in the group to support you with topics that will have you thinking and also give you opportunity to jump in and keep motivated and keep consistent. Things like creating your wealth investing plan, how you are unique at trading, how to say yes to investing. We're going to have half-point recaps and really build your mindset from poverty consciousness to abundance consciousness. I hope this sounds absolutely amazing, and I look forward to seeing you reach out and enroll in the course. It will be a 30-day challenge for free for the first 30 days. And it is really your time to jump in. I don't know when I'll be holding this again. So this is the time, this is the opportunity. Get in, have June be your month where you start trading and really enjoy 30 days where you are led through a trading incubator where you have access to me. You have access to questions and getting led along the process and start to feel really confident with your trading. I invite you to reach out, and I so look forward to taking you on this journey.